welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making some strawberry ice cream and I'm going to be using my Ninja Foodi hot and cold blender. So here I have some frozen strawberries, vanilla essence, ground cinnamon, honey, Greek yogurt, and some chia seeds. So the first thing I'm going to do is to sweeten my yogurt with some honey, and I will be adding some vanilla essence, cinnamon powder, and the chia seed to it. So here I have my yogurt. I'm going to sweeten it, and this is about half the tub of yogurt I'm using. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of chia seed to my yogurt. So that's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder here. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And I'm going to be adding some honey, and this is set honey I'm using. And I'm using about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, and the honey is only being used here as a sweetener. So that's my honey there. So now I'm just going to stir the honey and the other ingredients here into the yogurt, just so that the honey gets to dissolve into the mixture. So here you can see what the mixture look like now that the honey has dissolved. So what I'm going to do with the yogurt now is I'm going to return it to my refrigerator, and I'm going to leave it there for about 45 minutes to an hour. Ideally overnight would be best, but I'm going to just leave it in the refrigerator so that the chia seed get to soak into the yogurt before I actually start making my ice cream. So after an hour of having my yogurt and chia seed mixture in my refrigerator, I will show you what the texture looked like. And what you wanted was for the chia seed to become a little bit jelly. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons to my blender. So now I'm going to add my frozen strawberries here. Now we are going to give this a blend. So I'm going to turn this on now, and I'm going to press the dessert button here to make the ice cream. So while the frozen strawberries are blending here, I'm going to be pushing them down into the blender at the same time, just so I can get them all blended at the same consistency. So that's the first blending process done. I'll remove this from here to see what the texture look like. So if you look here, you can see that I still need to blend this further. So I'm going to cover this again and give it a second round of blending. So I'll turn this on again. If you look here, you can see the mixture is blending more easily because it is now becoming a bit smoother. And while it's blending, I am still pushing down the strawberries into the blender just so that everything gets to blend at the same texture and consistency. So just a couple more seconds here and it will be finished blending. So now my ice cream is finished blending. I'm going to remove it from here, and I'm going to show you what the texture and consistency look like. So if you look here, you can see how smooth and creamy it looks. I'm going to turn the container over just to show you that the texture is perfect. So very nice and creamy the texture is. So here I have a metal container, and this was in my freezer because I want the container to be very cold. So I'm going to pour the ice cream mixture in here, and then I'm going to return the container with the ice cream to my freezer, and I'm going to leave it there for about 15 minutes before it's actually ready to be served. So let's just pour this in here. So here I have my ice cream now. I have covered it with some cling film, and notice I have pressed this down onto the ice cream. I'm going to now place this in my freezer. So 24 hours after making my ice cream, it's going to be served. Unfortunately, it wasn't consumed yesterday, so we're now going to serve our beautiful strawberry ice cream here. So there we have it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also remember to turn your notification bells on so you do get notified when we do upload more videos like these. Thanks again for watching. Enough love. Bye.